Welcome to 14358.
Hi, come on in.
It's our interior room on the Mardi Gras. Very large mirror. Several drawers.
Your dryer.
Ooh, there's the hair dryer.
Yeah, look at the drawers. Love that.
Soft clothes. Y'all, this cabin has a new cabin smell. It's
Yeah. And
there's a ottoman there.
for an interior, there's a lot more room than typical interiors.
I'm gonna step over to this side. There's a USB and a reading light that is adjustable. There's a nice little shelf up here.
Some lights, back lighting.
On this side we have our large flat screen TV, the water bottles, a refrigerator that is large enough to hold a whole lot of water and a whole lot of soda. Come down through here.
Over to the right is the closets.
Closet here. A lot of hangers.
Let's see if we can't get some light in here. Yeah, that was it. Yeah,
There we go. Let's try this again.
I think they have lights inside of them.
Plenty of hangers. No,
These don't
no
have the
interior
lights
lights.
inside.
Nope.
Oh.
But they do have, kind of hard to do one-handed, the extra
cool.
drop-down shelves,
Yeah, nice.
which is really nice.
Yeah.
And then over here, we have the other closet. This is where the safe actually is. And I like these roll-out shelves, baskets.
Plenty of hanging.
Down here on the bottom is a roll-out
Nice.
shelf
That'd be great to put all
that is
sheets in.
also soft close.
Love it. Okay. And
Then we
I'm
have
just going to switch around.
the facilities.
Nice.
Standard interior,
Just a second.
but this is not standard. I love how these shower doors are. And because I am me, y'all, there is all kinds of room in here. I'm 5'8", 215 plus or minus a cheeseburger, and there is plenty of room in here. The standard Carnival bath amenities. Now,
Fixing to go get our grill on.
Ooh.
Get to get out of there.
yeah, I had to figure out how to get out of the shower. But this is our Mardi Gras interior.